Hi everyone, Network Guru here with another video. Today I'll show you how to enable Find Me iPhone, a must-have feature that helps your location your iPhone if it ever gets lost or if you need to share your location with someone. If it's not already turned on, here is how you can do it. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID at the top, select Find Me and then tap Find Me iPhone. If it's off, simply toggle it on and tap OK to confirm. Now your iPhone is linked to your Apple ID, making it trackable if it ever gets missing. For location sharing, you might also want to enable Share My Location. This lets your friends or family see where you are when you share your location with them. And that's it. Find Me iPhone is now enabled. If this video helped, don't forget like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.